Instead of heading out to the farm, students at the Heim Elementary School in Williamsville had the farm come to them. Christina Scarpacci's second grade students were able to get a close-up look at how dairy cows are fed and cared for and milked on a virtual field trip. Even though it was a virtual tour of a farm, it was still interactive.
Our first virtual field trip this year. I taught virtually last year, so everything was virtual, so it's really nice that now we're getting into some more in-person field trips, but this was a nice change for them to be able to get a taste of the farm. And we didn't even get to go there, but it was wonderful for them to be able to ask questions and have them answer.
And the staff of Rhinecrest Farm in Genesee County led today's field trip as part of the American Dairy Association Northeast's Virtual Farm Tours series.